Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at a set of three subsets that is going to contain three circles in our Venn diagram. We've done that of two subsets in our previous videos, so you can go and watch that to understand that before this. If you have done that, let us go dive into this immediately. In a class of 40 students, so 40 students means that the total number of students as the universal set is 40. Okay, 25 speak Hausa, which I am going to use H to represent. The number of students that speak Hausa is 25. 16 speak Igbo, which I am going to use I to represent. 16 speak Igbo. And 21 speak Yoruba, which I am going to use Y to represent. 21. And each of the students speak at least one of these three languages. It means that the 40 students either speak Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, two or more of the three languages. That none of them is outside the three languages. So, they went further to say, if 8 speak Hausa and Igbo, number of students that speak Hausa and Igbo, that's Hausa and Igbo, we have 8. 11 speak Hausa and Yoruba, number that speak Hausa and Yoruba is 11. While 6 speak Igbo and Yoruba, number that speak Igbo and Yoruba is 6. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information. So we have a Venn diagram. Of course, you know we have a rectangle first, where the universal set is written at any side of the rectangle. We have 40. Then the three subsets represented with circle. I bought the small, so I'm managing it. So if this is number of Hausa, I said you write it outside the box, the circles is 25. Number of Igbo is 16. And then number of Yoruba is 21. From the information provided, 21, 25 and 16. Hausa and Igbo is 8. But you can see that Hausa and Igbo involves this and this, which is 8. But it also includes those that speak only Hausa and Igbo, and those that speak Hausa and Igbo, and also Yoruba, which is this box. So, since we don't have number of students that speak the three languages, we are going to represent it with number of students that speak Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba. We represent it with X. So that is here with the X. If 8 speaks Hausa and Igbo, there are people that are more in this 8 that also speak Yoruba, but they are counted as those that speak Hausa and Igbo. So if we want to get the number of students that speak Hausa and Igbo only, that is number of Hausa and Igbo, but not Yoruba, that's Y prime, is going to be 8 minus X. So we remove those that are speaking the three languages to have those that are speaking Hausa and Igbo only. That's why it is 8 minus X. Number of students that speak Hausa and Yoruba, but not Igbo, is going to be 11 minus 8. While number of students that speak Igbo and Yoruba, but not Hausa, will be 6 minus X. So those will fit into these three boxes. Okay? Trying to see how I manage the little space I have. So Hausa and Igbo, but not Yoruba, is 8 minus x. So here I have 8 minus x. Hausa and Yoruba, but not Igbo. Where is Hausa? This is Hausa, this is Yoruba, but not Igbo. That is here, 11 minus x. Then, how Igbo and Yoruba, but not Hausa, is 6 minus x. So, we've gotten that. Then, how do we now get number of students that speak only Hausa, number of students that speak only Igbo, and number of students that speak only Yoruba? Because this 25 is number of students that speak Hausa, which includes those that speak Hausa and also speak Igbo, and includes those that speak Hausa and also speak Yoruba, also includes those that speak 3 languages. So when we were counting number of students that speak Hausa, they also speak Hausa, so they are included. But we want to get those that speak Hausa only, so that we won't repeat these people. Because those people that speak the 3 languages or any 2, when you call them in the first language they speak, they will be there. If you call in the second language, they will also be there, which means you've counted them twice or even 3 times for some. So that's why we want to separate those that speak the 3 languages, those that speak any of the 2 only, and then those that speak only 1 language. So that we have those that speak Hausa only, those that speak Igbo only, and those that speak Yoruba only. Okay, so how do we get those that speak Hausa only? Number of Hausa only means number of Hausa, but not Igbo and not Yoruba. And that's equal to here, which is 25, because 25 involves the entire circle, minus what is in here and what is here and what is here, because this is also part of the circle. So we have 25 minus x minus 8 minus x minus 11 minus x, and that's going to give us 25 minus x minus 8 plus x minus 11 plus x. X and minus x will go. 25 minus 11 will give us 14, minus 8 will give us 6, and there is x here, so this is 6 plus x. So we have here 6 plus x. Okay, that is number of those that speak Hausa but not Igbo and not Yoruba. So to get the number of those that speak Igbo only, we have number of those that speak Igbo and not Hausa and not Yoruba. Igbo only, this is Igbo, which is 16. But we are going to remove this and this from the 16. 8 minus x, x and 6 minus x. So 16 minus x, minus 8 minus x, and minus 6 minus x. Okay, and of course that is going to give us 16 minus x, minus 8 plus x. When you open bracket here, this is plus, minus 6 plus x. Minus x and plus x will go. 16 minus 8 is 8, minus 6 is 2, so that is 2 plus x. So number of those that speak Igbo only will be 2 plus x. Then number of those that speak Yoruba only. Number that speak Yoruba but not Igbo and not Hausa is equal to Yoruba is 21, but it includes 11 minus x, x and 6 minus x. So we are going to say 21 minus is 21 minus x minus 11 minus x minus 6 minus x. And that is equal to 21 minus x minus 11 plus x minus 6 plus x, because the minus will affect the minus inside the bracket. And of course, minus x, we cancel x. 21 minus 11 is 10, minus 6 is 4. So we have 4 plus x. So number of those that speak only Yoruba will be 4 plus x. And then our Venn diagram is complete now. That answers the first question, which says draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information. This is the Venn diagram illustrating the information. And the explanation is that we have 40 students in all, 25 speak Hausa, 16 speak Igbo, and 21 speak Yoruba. But out of these 25 that speak Hausa, some speak Igbo, some speak Yoruba, and some speak Igbo and Yoruba. So these are the 11 minus x is the number of those that speak Hausa and Yoruba. 8 minus x is the number of those that speak Hausa and Igbo, while x is the number of those that speak the three languages. So we are going to remove these three subsets from 25, and that gave us 6 plus x. The same will apply to Igbo, the same apply to Yoruba only, so that we have this set. And since there is no member of this set that does not speak any of the three languages, it means that what we have in these three languages, if you sum it, we are going to get 40. So because of that, we want to get, which is the number 2 question that says we should calculate the number of students that speak the three languages, and that is x. So if we sum all these subsets, it should give us 40. So that's what we're going to do. So the subsets we have here are 6 plus x plus 8 minus x plus x plus 11 minus x plus 6 minus x plus 2 plus x and plus 4 plus x. It should equal to 40 because that's the total number of students. So we begin to collect like terms. Plus x here and minus x here will go because x minus x is 0. Plus x here minus x here will go because x minus x is 0. Plus x here minus x here will go. And then we have 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 plus 11 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus x is 40. 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 11 is 25, plus 6 is 31, plus 2 is 33, plus 4 is 37. We have 37 plus x equals 40. So x definitely is going to be 40 minus 37. X is 3. And that is the number of students that offer the 3 subjects. So if the question went ahead to ask us to find each of the subsets, you just substitute 3 in each of them. 6 plus 3 will give us 9 that offer only Hausa. 2 plus 3 will give us 5 that offer only Igbo. And 4 plus 3 will give us 7 that offer only Yoruba. While 8 minus 3 will give us 5 that offer only Hausa and Igbo but not Yoruba. That way you will get all the subsets and you will see that it sums up to 40. So this is how you set subsets of 3 Venn diagram. First of all, you should know the number of those that offer the 3 subjects and remove it from every subsets of 2 subjects. That is, in this 2, whatever they said is in this 2, you remove this 3 from it, remove this 1 from it, and remove this 1 from this as well. When you've done that, you have gotten all these smaller part of the circle. Then to get those that offer each one of them, or those that are members of each one of them only, you have to subtract these 3 subsets from this to get it, these 3 that belongs to this as well to get this, and then these 3 that belongs to this as well to get that. And of course, you are good to go. If there are members that are not in any of these 3 subsets, it should be outside here. And of course, you know it's going to be included when you are summing up to get the universal set. See you in our next class.